Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E! Prime. I am Daedran. Coffee's Lockdown trending at number 1. Grammy winner Coffee on Friday released her latest single, Lockdown. The catchy and intoxicating song has already been making waves, with music lovers trending all weekend on Twitter as people toasted the artist for the new summer anthem. Lockdown also currently holds the number 1 trending position on YouTube with over 1.3 million views in 3 days. The star-studded video features cameos from dancehall artists Popcorn, Dre Island and Skillibeng. Lockdown, a rhythmic guitar-laden track, gives hopes to a post-COVID-19 relationship as Coffee belts fresh lyrics to her prospective mate. Coffee recently performed her unreleased single Pressure for designer Tom Brown's new collection. The single is set to be released later this month. Where will we go? It was a full house for Fame Frequency over the weekend. Some of the cast members on the popular radio morning show joined the Fame DJs for another impressive party. Janice Young, producer of Full House Fridays, co-hosted with Talia and shared with her what makes the show so special.
It was an absolute fun night. If you missed it, guys, you missed a great party. Full House Frequency. I'm telling you, Full House Friday turn up all the time. And we'll take it to the frequency. We're talking about 5 DJs, hosts, dancers galore. It was fun. High energy. You learn a few things, trust me. Every Saturday night, 9 to midnight, make sure you tune in.
Cast members got their roles as Valaire showed his moves. Shoy were specially featured.
Make sure I come teach you. 1, 2, 3, swap them. 1, 2, 3, swap them. 1, 2, 3, swap them. 1, 2, 3, swap them.
When you can get a Friday on a Saturday. Alright. Remember say them get a Full House Friday on the Friday and then get a Friday on a Saturday. Serious thing. Yeah man. What you mean? Yeah man. Dance patrol in the building, expressions in the building. Yeah, shell down. Full of vibes. Every mosquito get killed. Everyone of them. You know what? Look now.
And I say big up to the whole Frequency family, you understand? First time here, you understand? And full of vibes, big up to the Expression family.
Fame Frequency featured the 5 DJs, the Captain Colin Hines, DJs Narity, Franco, Kevin and Wizkid. That's it for this evening's edition of E! Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.